Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Which we will of us who I respect Mr. Ayu please introduce. My name is Ayu Qomariyah. Can call me Aira from the chemistry study program Class C Chemistry, Faculty of Science and Technology, Maulana Islamic University Malik Ibrahim, Malang. I come from Probolinggo and I was born in the city of Probolinggo on ages 15 2002. Until now, I still live in Probolinggo. I graduated from month 2 Probolinggo City and on stage at the Zainul Hasan Genggong Islamic Boarding School. I have hobbies of reading, singing, watching, and want to be a citizen wife. My dream is to become a laboratory assistant or health analyzer who works in a laboratory. I still live with my parents and can go to Malang because Malang is the COVID-19 virus, the Omicron virus. My father is an entrepreneur. My mother is also an entrepreneur, and my sister is a nurse. And my status is single. Okay. Today I will present the result of my resume. The material that I have made with the cam of the environmental issue. This is a climate change. Climate change. Climate change is a change is the pattern and intensity of climate elements over a very long period of time. The form of the change related to change is the weather's habits, or change is the distribution of weather event. So, a climate change on Earth is due to the consumptive nature of humans themselves. In our country, there is no limit to have any number of vehicles, so it creates a negative side such as a very high vehicle smoke. The more visual famous it will cause global warming. Okay, this is picture. The effect of global warming is that the polar ice cap are melting. So many polar bears have lost their homes from there, and the volumes of sea water has increased to the melting poles. This is a global warming is caused. This is global warming is caused by unlimited visual famous, and this is the result is melting of polar ice. So if the temperature on Earth increase, the overall rate of chemical reactions increase. In environmental chemistry, this is divided into two, namely generative and generative, and non-generative. Non-generative caused by pollution, and pollution is not only in Indonesia but also in various countries. Next, second material in air and atmosphere pollution. Okay, Earth atmosphere is a layer of gas that surrounds the Earth from its surface to deep in outer space. The altitude of the atmosphere is between 0 km above ground level to an altitude of about 560 kilometer above the Earth's surface. The atmosphere consists of 5 layers that differ in terms of temperature and air pressure due to difference in the absorption of solar energy. Less than important humus and vulnerable exchange due to humanity, the stratosphere and troposphere. Layers or characters of function that arise from the composition in the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. This is atmosphere physical condition, weather, climate, and ecosystem types. This is the atmosphere will change the climate, and the climate will change the ecosystem. The greenhouse effect is a rare term used to describe the Earth. A greenhouse effect, there the sun heat is trapped by the Earth's atmosphere. The cause of the hole in the ozone layers in man-made because the ozone layer absorbs ultraviolet or UV radiation from the sun and protect the Earth from the radiation. One chlorine atom can destroy thousands of ozone molecules. The depletion of the ozone layer is also caused by the carbon monoxide produced by motor vehicles and factories. Deforestation also is contributed because of the ability of the trees and forests to absorb gas that cause damage to the ozone layer. Therefore, without the ozone layer, more UV radiation penetrates the atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface. This is picture effect greenhouse for deforestation and absorbed by atmosphere and Earth. Deforestation, CVCC, oil and petrol emissions. There's radiation absorbed by greenhouse gases and fossil fuels. This is a picture effect greenhouse. Okay. Therefore, the weather literally in Indonesia is very hot because, as I explained earlier, the ozone layers on Earth is starting to leak. So that's all from my presentation. Thank you for the comments or friend in following this presentation. Hopefully with this presentation you can add to your insight, and if there are words that I don't like to say, friends, please forgive me. See you next time. Stay healthy, stay positive. See you soon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.